Let's move on to 20. Which claim is best supported by the information presented in paragraphs 3 and 4? Okay, so again, a lot of times the questions ask about the particular paragraphs. And since we make that part of our reading process, we actually know what paragraphs 3 and 4 are doing in this passage and what they say. 3 was essentially scraps of hieratic writing were penned by students on limestones. So we learn here that 3 is about a person could do anything. An educated scribe could eventually do anything. We have an example of one who became the king. And 4 says, however, it was not available for those who generally didn't have the means or weren't wealthy. Okay? So those are the core ideas of 3 or 4 we want to take to answer question 20. Education was difficult for the common citizens of Egypt to attain. Okay, that's true, but best supported by the information, that seems to be only one of the actual paragraphs. F, once students began studying to become scribes, their future held more possibilities. That's true too. That was the other paragraph. G, if someone wanted to become a scribe, support from outside sources such as the government or a temple was necessary. Necessary to extreme language, right? That can't be right. Becoming a successful scribe required a student's family to sacrifice time and money in order to ensure the best education. This is false, right? It said many scribes actually became that way or entered into it with the help of generous patrons, not necessarily the family. That was just one of the means to get there. So between E and F, education was difficult for the common citizens of Egypt to obtain. Well, it didn't really talk about a common citizen versus not a common citizen. So I'd probably eliminate E. The real idea of this section is once students began studying, their future held more possibilities. Okay? F is the correct answer for 20. That's what I would choose.